name is Edda and I'm a 20 years old girl from Iceland. I've decided to make a little video of myself to give you a better vision of me as a person. I'm applying to be a counselor at the summer camp in the USA, and the main reason for that is this will be so much experience for me in the future too. It's very important, and working with children is the main thing, and meeting new people from different countries. This will broaden my horizon in many ways, and I will experience a whole new culture, and that is very exciting. I've always loved playing with children and teach them something that haven't been taught before. It will give me a joy working with them in the summer camp, but knowing this is not just my experience but also theirs, and I can be a part of that. I can almost not go through the day without exercising or enjoying the nature in any way. I, for example, always ride my bike to work, and I practice soccer in the evening. I'm very good at playing any kind of sports like gymnastics, golf or basketballs, for example, and I'm very athletic. I haven't stopped practicing sports since I was 6 years old, and today I'm a part of a soccer team that I've been through so much with. We have won so many tournaments that I can't even count them.
It's been a long time since I came around. Been a long time, but I'm back in town. This time I'm not leaving without you. You taste like whiskey when you kiss me. I would give anything again to be your baby doll. This time I'm not leaving without you. He says, sit back down where you belong, in the corner of my bar with your high heels on. Sit back down on the couch where we made love the first time, and you said to me, there's something about this place. Something about lonely nights and my lipstick on your face.
I also practice gymnastics in my town. I started when I was just 6 years old, and I quit at the age 17. Once I became an Icelandic champion in dance and vault in gymnastics, and I was just 12 years old then, competing with much older girls. I have won many tournaments in gymnastics just competing alone, but I was also a part of a team in group gymnastics, and we won many tournaments. I've also taught children gymnastics that includes dance and many tricks, of course. And I love gymnastics in any kind of way. I've also practiced golf, and I know it's getting so much popular now these days. I received a very good training at this sport, and I have once competing in a tournament with my father, where we combined our strength. I have become to learn that you have to be very patient and relaxed when you play the sport, because that is very important. So you won't lose your temper, you know. And that works on children too, of course.
Something about this place.
person, and I always want to have enough on my schedule. I love being outside and enjoying the nature. I'm very good at snowboarding, for example, and that is one of my favorite hobbies. I try every time I get a chance to go to the mountains and snowboard. And lucky me, Iceland is filled with mountains, but I don't always like to snowboard. I love to climb them also. It's that feeling getting to the top that makes it so desirable. The main reason that I think I could make a very good counselor at a summer camp is that I have a great experience working with children, and I do have a lot to teach. Once I was working at a project called Lazy Town, and you have to teach children to exercise while having fun and eat healthy, and that is very important, I think. I also think it would be very interesting for me to get to know children from America or other continents, and they getting to know me as a person from a country that most of them haven't even heard of. But it's not only them who I have to teach and give advice, but also will they teach me many things. I really hope you like my application and you will be open-minded about me. See you in USA!